Hey guys, my name's Sarah and I look ridiculous right now, but I promise you it'll get a little better. So you're gonna be able to see the shit behind my mirror, but that's fine, it's my coffee cup. We going out tonight. I started doing my makeup before I had the idea to make a video. So I already put concealer on. Literally all I do for concealer is Shape Tape, and I basically just put it triangle, triangle, here, 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 and a little bit on my nose. And then I just blend it all in. I literally got these brushes at Primark. They look like unicorn horns, and they actually work better than I thought they would, so I stuck with them. And I also have these black brushes. Don't know what they are. Some people ask me if they're Morphe brushes. They are not. I've had them since like 5th grade. Don't judge me. Today I'm gonna bronze a little bit because I'm feeling pale. I'm going to use this Hoola bronzer. I think this is like a sample. It's small and it doesn't really do much, to be completely honest. I basically just put it all over my face. I feel like whenever I use this, if when I blend it in, it just all disappears. Like, I don't wear much makeup every day to class and stuff because I just don't have time. I wake up about 10 minutes before my classes start and hope that I get there on time, so I don't have time to do my makeup. I don't have time to be fancy, and most of the time I go to the gym after class, so it's all coming off anyway. Can you even see a difference after I put that on? Maybe on my nose. I don't look any tanner. Benefit. I don't look like a hula dancer, okay? Oh god. I have my hair back in this little scrunchie and it is wet because I just showered. I am brushing out my eyebrows with this Benefit Goof Proof eye pencil, and this shit is the best thing that ever happened to me. I don't have eyebrows, so when I put this on, it looks like I do have eyebrows, and that's pretty dope. I've been using it since my sophomore year in high school and doesn't make my eyebrows look red or brown. So I basically just fill them in and then brush them and shape them while I brush them. See, I already look better with my eyebrows done. I feel like I need eyebrows to look normal. I don't look normal without them. I look like a psychopath. Okay, next I'm gonna bake with this Coty Airspun powder that I got at Walgreens. Everyone says they sell it at Walmart, but I don't really go to Walmart. There's not really a Walmart near me. I don't know. Maybe there is. Maybe I don't use a beauty blender. I just use brushes. Basically just gonna bake my face where I see Kylie Jenner baking her face, or Kim K. It's like a lot of powder. I don't really know if I do this right. Now do I wipe it off? I don't even know. I think you're supposed to leave it on there for longer, but I need to put powder all over my face because I don't want to look greasy. Now I'm gonna take my butter bronzer, and I'm fucking obsessed with this shit. I take this weird looking brush that's super uncomfortable. It's like not soft at all, but it gets the job done. And I just put this shit everywhere. And this bronzer I use as literally everything. I use it for eyeshadow, I use it for contouring, I use it for when I need to look like I have abs. Like if I'm going out in the summer, I'll just like, and it's literally just like from the drugstore. And so like, you go, Physicians Formula, you fucking go. I'm just gonna blend this until it looks like I don't have shit on my skin. And also, if you watch Call Her Daddy, you know Alex Cooper, and a tip that I got from her, one of her videos, was don't put makeup like on the apples of your cheeks because then it looks cakey. So now I'm gonna dip a small brush into my bronzer and snatch my nose. And I'm also going to use it as eyeshadow. Got the tip of using bronzer as eyeshadow from Summer McKeen because she used to use her Benefit Hoola bronzer as eyeshadow, and when I bought the Hoola bronzer, I didn't really like it. It was really hard to blend and it just stuck to my skin in like a weird way. So I don't use that anymore. I use this Physicians Formula one, but I still use it as eyeshadow like she recommended. Natural glow. I did my makeup for prom and I went all out. I can put a picture somewhere in front of my mirror. So now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. And I actually use two mascaras. They're both CoverGirl. One is Lash Blast Volume and the other one is Full Lash Bloom. First I go in with my orange one. It's the Lash Blast Volume, and this really does make my lashes look super thick. I like triple booked myself today. I told so many people I would hang out with them. I'm overbooked. Now I take the pink one, which is the Full Lash Bloom, and this one is really good for the bottom lashes and the tips of your top lashes, because this one really lengthens it and the other one really thickens it. Okay, so that's basically all I'm doing right now. I might add a little more eyeshadow if I want to be more dramatic right before I go out, but for now, this is my natural kind of everyday going out look.